Hi, my name's Logan and this is our plant of the week. Magnolia stellata. It's a really loved medium to large shrub that will get to about 3 meters tall. It's deciduous and its flowers come through before the leaves come through. So you get lots of really stunning white star-shaped flowers that are actually slightly scented. Not everyone can smell them, but I can, and I think it's lovely. Like a sweet, almost spicy smell. They can have up to 18 petals and they come through all over the plant, as you can see. They're really stunning. Great addition to your garden, especially if you've got a sheltered spot that's not going to get too disturbed by strong cold winds in the winter. Their buds can be affected in the winter if they can get frost damaged if it's too hard. So a nice sheltered spot where it can grow and show you just how pretty it can be. They're really lovely and they'll do well in neutral to acidic soil, but if it's moist, it's got good water retention, they will do okay in alkaline soils. You can keep them in a pot and control the soil that way, so you don't have to worry about it. And otherwise, they'll just come through as a really strong, impactful shrub in your garden. I think something interesting about magnolias is that their flowers actually evolved before bees. So that's why some people think they look quite weird, the actual flowers themselves. They were evolved so that beetles would come along and pollinate them. And now they're pollinated by bees as well, but it's just a cool little fact about them. They're really low maintenance and they don't need much pruning. You can take away some dead if you'd like, but otherwise they'll look after themselves and they're pretty hardy. And that's why it's our plant of the week.